Have you been told that you may need a knee replacement in the future? Are you worried about what that might include? Or would you like to avoid that knee replacement altogether? If you said yes to any of those questions, I have a special offer for you, and we have a revolutionary new tool in our offices that I want to talk to you about. My name is Todd Robbins, and I own Robbins Rehabilitation East. It's a physical therapy company that's here in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and I've been treating patients for over 20 years. A lot of them have had knee replacements. And guess what? Knee replacements are hard. It's a very effective surgery, but there is going to be some time involved, there's going to be some pain, and there's going to be some effort on your part to really recover from that. And I'm always trying to get better at what we're doing, and I found a secret weapon that really helps my patients out that are looking at and considering a knee replacement, and it's called the OrthoBike. It's really hard to explain what this bike does on video. What I will tell you is that there's only 12 on the planet right now, and we have 3 of them. I am very impressed by what this machine does for my knee patients. And again, it's kind of hard to explain it, so we're doing a special offer right now. You can come in and test drive the OrthoBike in our offices at absolutely no cost. Yeah, we're giving away free healthcare. You're gonna come in, you're gonna get 30 minutes one-on-one with a doctor of physical therapy to really get an assessment of where you've been on your journey with your knee and give you options for what you can do to maybe avoid that knee replacement. And then you're gonna get the opportunity to test out the OrthoBike and really see what it does. Now, we only have a limited amount of spots that we can fit people in each of our offices, and we only have one OrthoBike in each of our offices. So I encourage you to call and take advantage of this right now. You can call our offices, we'll get you set up for that free appointment. And if you can't call right now, tell you what, just put your information in the form on this page and we'll reach out to you and make sure we're getting you in the schedule. So if you've been told that you may need a knee replacement in the future and you're worried about that, you need to call us and try out the OrthoBike. I'm telling you, you are going to be very impressed with what you find out in our offices. So just give us a call or fill out the form, and I will see you on the OrthoBike soon.